It's VH1's Where Are They Now? Featuring the legendary R&B sensation, Chicken Wing Jones. The year, 1987. The artist, Wayne Jones. After 4 successful years with the world-famous R&B group, Early Edition, Wayne broke out on his own to launch a solo career.
Wayne Jones was a hit from day one as a solo artist. So he had all the ladies, all the money, and all the moves. That glide off on stage, been doing that, man. Everybody using Wayne moves.
For 2.5 months, Wayne Jones was king. But his reign would soon come to an end when a dark secret was revealed.
If you only knew what I knew, if you knew what I knew what I knew. Ah! Oh, hell.
He had it all, but with his songs plummeting from the charts, Chicken Wing couldn't even manage a bass hit. But that was then. We caught up to Chicken Wing 2 weeks ago, preparing for his triumphant comeback.
You know, I came back to the music. But I didn't like being called Chicken Wing at first, but now I guess it's cool, you know. I got a new double album coming out. I'm doing what I can, you know. People is accepting me and loving me the way I am, and I'm happy with it. I think I'm gonna let y'all hear my new single. It's coming out. Matter of fact, it's called When I Close My Eyes, I Could See You. I used to snap that in.
If I close my eyes, I could see her in the wind-swept skies. I could see her.
With ambitious ventures on the horizon and a double CD in the works, Chicken Wing Jones hopes to reach a new audience and a new plateau in American music.